Impossible sausage on New Year's Eve? I don't believe my eyes. Beyond meat, beyond sausage, plant-based sausage. And that's impossible to me. Well, I'm gonna cook it because it's New Year's Eve. Last meal of the year. I got an induction burner here. Make it easy. Look at them. I wonder if somebody didn't tell me if I wouldn't know that they're fake. I'm gonna brush them with olive oil right in the package. This is a non-stick cast iron grill here, but I want to grease them up a little more. You want one? Are you having a party? All right, I have this induction grill on medium. I was gonna cook them outside, but I didn't. See that? I hear a sizzle. Hear it? This is gonna be funny. It's funny. I need help. 2020. 2020. Can you see? It's so ridiculous. All right, let's let them fry up for a little while. The instructions say start on medium and go to high. But this is not a meat product, so I'm not sure about the meat safety temperatures, but it does say to cook it to a certain amount. Let's see. 16 grams of plant protein per serving. Soy-free, gluten-free. Oh, it smells all right now. 190 calories per. You're not looking at me, are you? The future of protein. Behold Beyond Sausage, the missing link that serves up the sizzle and juicy satisfaction of pork sausage with all the upsides of a plant-based meal. Are you kidding me? I don't know why, but they smell good. And they sound good. Wow. And they cost a lot. I think they were $9, right? If I remember correctly. But I had to try them. $165? Degrees.
For food safety.
Yeah, all right. 165 degrees for food safety. And I have my leftover sauce that I made. Where did I make that? I made that for, meatballs yesterday on our new channel. Pass the word. Oh, I smell that. Can you smell that? Don't turn it up right now. Should I? Oh, I don't wait a little bit. Smiles, everyone. Let me get my sauce over here. Remember that delicious sauce I made yesterday? I'm gonna put these in a bun, melt cheese on them. I didn't get a haircut yet. Waiting. Want some? One of my microphones, this induction cooker interferes with the magnetic field. I hope this one doesn't. But if it does, you'll be hearing all kind of buzz. But if not, you might be hearing it anyway. It is New Year's Eve. Time is it? 7 o'clock, New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. We got snacks. We got more snacks. What else do you have? You got pizza?
We have some pizza. We have some bacon wrapped scallops.
Oh.
We have some garlic parmesan wings.
Oh.
Some goodies.
This smells good. Why does it smell good? It's bothering me that it smells so good. It's probably the oil that I smelled, but it does smell good. Can you smell it back there? Back in the studio?
I can smell it. I think it smells great.
Yeah.
It is good food. That's why it smells good.
Yeah, but it ain't meat.
Yeah, but it is good food. It's plant-based.
It's plants. And plants have feelings.
Plants have goodness.
What about the plants? Are plants not a living thing? Do they not cast a shadow? Do they not take in our carbon dioxide and breathe out our carbon monoxide, or vice versa. They help us.
So appreciate their taste.
I'd appreciate a big fat pig laying here too, you know that. Oh. It's New Year's Eve, anything can happen. Oh, you know what I had since 2020? Oh no, it ain't 2020. Hang on, I know. I had this light since 2000 when I spent New Year's Eve with my mom, and she had one too. And look, it still lights up. See the lights in there? 20 years, that's okay if you can't see it, but it's lighting. And every New Year's Eve, she'd say, you got your light? Yep, I got it, and I still have it. Since 2000, that's 20 years. It's smoky in here. My plants are on fire. Whew, whew. Think that smoke alarm's gonna go off? Huh? It smells good. It smells like crispy bacon or something. Brush some oil again?
Yeah.
Man, that smells good. I bet you that smoke detector's gonna go off. It's only plants. I wonder what it's gonna look like inside. Pink bologna or something? Should I take a temperature inside?
Yeah.
Less egg to fry. $90. 122. 122. What did you say, 135?
165, see?
165? You having some at your party? We were gonna go live tonight at 10 of 12, but we figured you'd probably be too busy watching Times Square than to watch us, but that would have been interesting, right? And fun. Maybe next year. We're so thankful that you were here with us all this year. Whoa, what a slip. There's oil on the floor. Did you ever fry something that gets splattered around and the floor gets slippery? Oh, I knew it. Stop. It's only a plant. All right. We're having a party. And I didn't even drink no beer or nothing. Did you? I think I better get one. What do you think? I better get one.
I'll get you one.
Only because it's New Year's Eve.
I'll get you one.
And you know what? I bet you this beer is still here from last New Year's Eve. Oh, you got me fresh? Thank you. But that's how much I drink. Last New Year's Eve we tried, oh, let's have a couple beers. She likes wine. I'm like, it's not even fun no more. So I do got some still in there from last New Year's Eve when I drank like 2.5 of them. She said she got some fresh. A nice cold beer would go good with this right now because it's New Year's Eve. And as these shrink somewhat, they're gonna fit in my little rolls. What are these, pocket rolls? What kind of rolls are these? Ooh, you having some of that too?
No, I'm gonna have a little wine.
Oh, wine. Oh, look what you did. All right. Maybe you don't like it. That's all right.
Take picture.
You know what I was trying to do. See, like 200.
208.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
I don't know. Okay. Like I said, I hope that didn't interfere with my magnetic microphone. Oh, it smells good and it's smoky in here. What do you think? Crazy. You gonna have a honk?
Sure.
You want a sandwich of it or just a bite?
Bite.
Put a piece of cheese in the roll too. Roll. Got some of my sauce over here warmed up. Left over from my meatballs yesterday. So how can I give you a piece? You want to let me cut a piece with a knife and a fork? My real sausage don't do that. Would somebody even know that? Could somebody even know that?
Looks good.
Let it cool. Jewel. Look what I'm gonna do. I'm afraid of it now. All right, I'll put the sauce on the bottom. Look at that. Look at that, look at that. I'm scared. How was it for you?
Good.
Did you taste it yet? Mm-hmm. Really? Would you know that sausage or not?
No, it's sausage to me.
Really?
I would never know, especially with sauce and cheese on it.
I'm scared.
Lots of very good seasoning.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, good job.
Impossible. What are they? Beyond sausage. Which one should I take a bite of? I don't got sauce on the bottom, I got sauce on the top. I'm gonna try this one because I'm gonna taste the meat more. I know the sauce is good. Taking one last bite of anything for the year. First of all, I like the bite. I like the crunchiness and the flavor. And the greasiness of the chunky fried olive oil. I wonder if it's the casing or what. Well, we don't want to learn too much about them, but had to try it. Possible sausage on New Year's Eve. Wow, it keeps tasting better. Okay.
Pretty good, huh?
If I didn't know that and you made it for me, I wouldn't know. Who would have thought that? Yeah, I'm amazed. So thanks for stopping by on New Year's Eve to watch this fiasco. Let me taste it with sauce now. And thanks for visiting us all year. We appreciate you very much. It's really good. I have to say it's good. A little more expensive than pork butt. But supposedly it's good for you. Happy New Year, everybody. Everybody stay safe, healthy, and happy. And best wishes to all of you for the new year. Try some of this if you want. And check our new channel, Pass the Word. I'll put a link there. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice night. Be safe. Be careful. Have fun. I like it. I don't know why.